Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Dan believes that using a cage for pets is not a good idea for several important reasons. First, he thinks that cages can make pets feel trapped and anxious. For example, when he sees his neighbor's dog pacing in its cage, he worries that the dog is scared and stressed. Dan feels that pets need freedom to move around and explore their environment, which helps them feel secure and happy. Additionally, Dan argues that relying on cages can prevent pets from developing good social skills. He believes that pets learn best through interaction with people and other animals. When pets are kept in cages for long periods, they miss out on valuable experiences that help them socialize. Dan thinks that regular interaction is essential for a pet's overall well-being, and cages can isolate them from these important social opportunities. Finally, Dan is concerned that using cages can lead to behavioral problems in pets. He explains that pets may become more anxious or aggressive if they feel confined. Instead of teaching them how to behave properly, Dan believes that owners should focus on training pets through positive reinforcement and more open environments. For these reasons, he strongly opposes the use of cages for pets and advocates for a more open and nurturing approach to pet care. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.